Hey everyone, this is Shalini Joshi Amdagni, and in this video I want to talk to you about clearing and cleansing. So I am going to be doing a 21-day emotional detox program. And right now we are going through these incredibly stressful times where there's so much coming at us on a personal level, on a family level, on a country level, on a global level. And there is just a lot to deal with. And I follow Satguru, the Indian mystic, and he talks about that you are your pure self, right? This is your pure self, and then you are a heap of impressions and a heap of food. So the heap of impressions and the heap of food and the pure self between make up who you are, right? And so a lot of us go for detox programs where we clear our system and we eat the right foods and we do all the physical things to detox, but we don't really address all the mental and emotional dirt and debris and the toxicity that we are absorbing all the time, especially now, and so you want to be able to release and clear and let go of all the fears, all the feelings of overwhelm, because these impressions, they sort of cover your pure self and they overload your system. So it affects you physically, your health, right? It lowers your immunity and creates all kinds of physical dis-ease, but it also clutters your clarity, and your effectiveness and your productivity, because you're living in fear, you're living in anxiety, you're living in self-doubt, lack of confidence, and all kinds of worries and stresses. And so the program that I'm going to do is going to be addressing all of these things so that you can let go and lighten up and live more fully in peace and ease despite all that's going on in the world. And our best contribution, our little bit that we can do, is be our best selves, right? And contribute by just being our best selves, because as Mahatma Gandhi says, be the change you want to see in the world. And if you are all cluttered and all stressed, I mean, how effective can you be in your own life, in your own personal life, in your work life, in your family life as a mother, father, parent? So if you feel like it's your time to let go and clear up and lighten up, do check out the link below. I'm going to be posting the link to the program and all the details. If you have questions, feel free to email me, and I'll either see you in the program or on my next video or on Facebook. So thanks for listening, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.